In this video, I will show you how to turn off Instagram message requests. Firstly, you need to launch your application, then you need to go to your profile section right over here on your account, and then you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side. When you get right over there, you're going to be available to choose all of these sections. You need to go for the first side, which is settings, and when you get there, you need to go up and select the privacy section. Go to your privacy, and then when you get there, you need to tap on the selection which is for that side for messages. Go for that side, and here as you can see you have message controls, and guys, you have to add your followers, that selection on it, your followers on Instagram. Go on it, and now if you want to take over that setup, what you need to select, it is the second side, don't receive that side. Now go update settings to take up and select the second selection.